It's very well known what's going on here at Downey High School. We're cutting edge. I mean, we're college level here.
When we first got our new Gigabots, it was kind of a mysterious feeling. I mean, we didn't know really what to expect.
I've been using Gigabot for almost a year and a half now.
I'm here a lot. This is basically my second home.
The kids pick it up and they understand it so well. If they run into a problem, it was something they caused, so they've learned how to fix it and solve it.
I just taught myself, looked online. Mr. Jamka, he's another teacher here. I go down and I help him out and he just takes notes.
In our first robotics competition, we have a 6-week build period. We ordered parts in the first week of our competition, however they were back ordered. So instead of wasting time not doing anything, this is what we 3D printed to fit on our robot. So when our parts came in, during the 4th out of 6 weeks, we were ready to go.
We're not known as the big dollar district. Usually when I take them to competition, they're not looked at as the kids that are going to be very competitive, just because of the area we come from. But once we're there and competing and they see what they're up against, every year my kids come back from college to tell me just having access to this type of equipment put them so far ahead of the curve.
One of the disabled students in our campus who have trouble just simply feeding herself and lifting up her arms because of the muscular dystrophy she has on her left arm. We've utilized the force of gravity, mimicking the triceps and the biceps. When she is in a resting position, her arm weight would just drop the exoskeleton. And then when she needs to pick up a fork or a spoon to feed herself, because of the bands on this exoskeleton, she's able to feed herself with less amount of effort than she used to do without the exoskeleton.
The most important thing that I see is that tangible object that the kids can get. They can sketch it on paper, they can draw it on the computer, but in the past that's where it ended. Now they can take that thing from paper and get a physical object, and I really think that's where the kids get excited about it and start thinking in their head what the future is with this and what they can do with it.